Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to buy Tron on Binance? Today I'm going to show you how to buy Tron TRX on Binance. First of all, open your Binance app or website and log into your account. Then tap on the Markets tab and type TRX in the search bar. Select your preferred trading pair like TRX USDT. Tap Buy and enter the amount of TRX you want to purchase. Once ready, tap Buy TRX to complete your order. Now, go to Wallets, then click Spot Wallet to confirm your TRX is now in your account. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.